Welcome. If you're looking to upload photos or scan documents directly from your phone using Google Drive, you'll need to make sure the app has access to your camera. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to allow camera access for Google Drive on your mobile device. First, unlock your phone and head over to your device's settings. This is where you control all the app permissions and privacy options for your phone. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to open a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list to find Google Drive. Once you spot it, tap on the Google Drive app to open its settings page. Inside the Google Drive settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This is where you can manage what features and data the app can use on your phone. Here you'll see a list of permissions, including Camera. Tap on Camera, and then select Allow. This will grant Google Drive the access it needs to use your camera whenever you want to scan documents or take photos directly from the app. That's it. You've successfully allowed camera access for Google Drive. Now, when you use features like scanning documents or uploading photos, the app will be able to open your camera without any issues. If you ever want to change this permission, just repeat these steps and adjust the setting as needed. Keeping your app permissions updated ensures you get the most out of Google Drive while maintaining control over your privacy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.